Awesome, thank you. My name is Leonard Spicer. I am one of the co-founders of Clover. At Clover, we put together a killer team. People from BEA, Sun Microsystems, Intuit, eBay, Yahoo, TripIt, LoudCloud, FDIC, CashEdge. We've put this team together to solve a massive problem affecting everyone in here, either directly or through your partners. The problem is that today's point-of-sale systems are closed. What does this mean, closed? This means that the products you work on today, new features like e-wallets, discounts, data analytics, new systems that are going to compete with Starbucks on the closed-loop cards on your phone, all of these products are shut out. Your innovation is shut out from the merchant because the moment you go to try to integrate with them, those POS systems are going to shut you out. So we put this team together to rip open the POS market, to tear down the walls. We are announcing the Clover OS. Clover OS is an open POS system. What does it mean when you have an open system? Well, let's look at what happened with Android and iPhone and the feature phone world. The moment you open a system up, you enable innovation and you get product right to your customers. With Clover OS, we give our partners a POS system they can take to their merchants. And those merchants can customize that POS system. They can plug into any systems they need to. You can deliver features for merchants directly, finally. Let me give you an example. One of our partners, who serves thousands of merchants, came to us and said, I need to be able to offer my merchants the ability to bill their customers. They want to be able to send a bill to their customers. So, here's the customer, Amy's Pilates. And here you can see the Clover OS system in action. Of course, we have a register product for swiping cards, an inventory, reporting. And if you click on Setup, you can add other applications here. You can see there's space for it. What we're going to talk about today was this specific feature request. This customer needed the ability to send bills. So let's watch what happens now when Amy, using this on her smartphone, it also works on tablet, serves her customer today. So Sheila comes into Amy's Pilates, and Amy clicks on the Customers tab and goes ahead and adds a new customer. Now she can type in that information manually, or she can swipe that customer's card to get the account set up. She goes ahead and provides additional information, so Sheila gives her phone number in this case for contact. Now we go back to the screen, and this is where it gets really exciting, because for the first time, that customer database is now available to other apps. In this case, the Send a Bill app is what Amy needs. Sheila's taken some classes, and Amy wants to send her a bill. So she clicks on Send a Bill, and here we see the customer database, and we see Sheila on the list. She just added her. She goes ahead and types in $20, clicks Send Bill. That's sent out now. Now let's see what happens for Sheila. Sheila gets a text message. It doesn't even matter if Sheila has a smartphone. She can click on the link, she can hit reply and hit yes, and as soon as she's done paying, Amy gets notified. Now, not only in this billing app does she get notified, but her customer database gets updated. If she's plugged into an accounting system, that gets updated. Her reporting gets updated. Folks, this is just one app offered to these customers. I'm here because I need your help. I need you to help me free the world's merchants from a closed point-of-sale system, to help us tear down the walls and offer an open POS system. Do this, and all of these great applications that you're working on right now will plug right in. You'll be able to get this out to the merchant and make the merchant's life better. You'll be able to get this out to the merchant's customers. We are Clover. We are the open POS. Thank you, everyone.